What's up, my friend? David Moss Jr. here, and this video is who is the Plunge All In cold plunge for? So this is a new series of videos where I just sit in front of the product that I've had for a while and just talk about it, answer frequently asked questions, and really just answering who is it for and who is it not for, because I have full reviews of this product, I have tons of content around this product, but I think this is a good video that I would want to watch if I was in the market looking for a cold plunge and if I was considering buying the Plunge All In. So this is the Plunge All In. It's got every component built literally in. That's why it's called the Plunge All In. This is their generation 2, so it's efficient, meaning it can cool your water down really fast without having to use a ton of power. That's really cool, and it looks great. To me, this is the iconic cold plunge. When cold plunging first started becoming popular, there was either DIYs, athletes, ice baths, horse troughs, that style. That's kind of where I got started. Then there was some inflatables that came out, but Plunge came out with the tub, the porcelain white aesthetic looking tub. And they were really the only cold plunge company out. One of the first cold plunge companies. They were on Shark Tank. And when they launched that, it just became like the iconic look for cold plunging. You know, there was other brands and there was other things, but like when I think cold plunging, I think of this white tub, and I think a lot of people agree. So it's iconic. Iconic, that's the word. And when you have one of these, people know what you have, which is cool. It's like they have claimed this look. I know plenty of companies have came and gone that have tried to recreate this exact same thing. Plunge has infrastructure that nobody else has. And I think that's one of the things that separates them from a lot of the other brands out there. I would consider this to be a premium cold plunge. It's a premium product. They have multiple products, but the Plunge All In's premium. I think it's listed at $9,990. And obviously there's discounts. You can use my link. I'll have it pop up on screen here, and it'll be down in the video description to my friends who aren't watching on a television, which I find over 50% of my audience watches videos on TV. So thank you for that. Unfortunately, it's hard for you to engage, which means it's hard for this video to get seen by more people, but that's okay. I'm grateful that you're watching anyway. But it is a premium cold plunge that has all the components built inside. It has massive filtration and it has ozone built in. Those are some big things for me. Chills your water down to 37 degrees fast, has a light built in, and it has multiple inlets and outlets inside the cold plunge that keeps water circulating very much and very fast. What does that do? Keeps the water cold, keeps the water clean, keeps it working well without having to use a ton of power and stay on all the time. That's what this cold plunge is. That's the Plunge All In. The tub has a slanted wall and it has a vertical wall. And where you sit with your back against the slanted wall and your feet planted against the vertical wall. So this is considered a relaxed pose cold plunge, meaning you're going to be laying down into it like you're getting into a bathtub, which some people absolutely love. It's my wife's favorite cold plunge, and some people would prefer the upright active pose. It depends on your nervous system. Everyone's nervous system is a little different, and you can train your nervous system. So for me, I have 50 cold plunges at my house. I've reviewed pretty much every brand and every style there is. So to me, I just kind of wander around and I play with all of them. But my wife always finds herself in this one. She has trained her nervous system and her process to this one, and this is the one that she absolutely loves. She loves getting down, planting her feet, keeping her knees bent, and assuming the cold plunging position, which is in a relaxed, laid down position. So you can't get into an active vertical pose in this, where there are some tubs that might be a little bit more boxy and you can kind of like manipulate your body to do both, but that's okay. If this is the only cold plunge you have, you won't even know what I'm talking about. You wouldn't even know the difference. So I just want to point that out to anybody who has cold plunged in multiple and you want to try to figure out and narrow down what's best for you. This is that relaxed style cold plunge. Now, a couple things about that. It's not only a relaxed style cold plunge, it is a relaxing cold plunge, meaning that porcelain material that this is made out of is very calming on the skin. There are some cold plunges in the premium price range that are made out of stainless steel, and steel conducts that temperature and holds that temperature a lot different. It's almost can be uncomfortably cold if you're sitting in steel, cold steel. But sitting in this it's not cold, it's not hot, it's just comfortable. It feels right, it feels nice. So I like that. Rounded edges, everything around it, there's no sharp edges, very comfortable. Changing the filter on this thing is one of the easiest. You literally pause the water. You don't have to unplug it or do anything crazy. You pause it pauses. You take the top off, you put the filter in and out from the top, which is so cool. It's one of the only cold plunges on the market that does that. So you really don't even spill any water. Like that I really, really love. And to anybody who's maintaining a cold plunge or is used to having to do shutoff valves and unscrew a filter that's at the bottom and then all the water dumps out, yeah, you don't have that with this. So if you're wanting to put this somewhere nice that you don't want water all over your floor when you have to maintain it, this is a great option for that. I would say, now let's answer that question. Who is this cold plunge for? It's for somebody who's looking for a premium, iconic looking cold plunge that can be the centerpiece of their wellness space. I mean, to me, it looks awesome. Plunge kind of has these lines, like that's their sauna behind it. They have these slanted lines and flat lines. It just looks good. It's aesthetic to me. And when people come here and they see this, they know what this is. So if I had a pool or a back porch or somewhere that I wanted to just have that iconic centerpiece of my wellness setup, Plunge would be a great fit there. It would just look nice. I can imagine if I had like some black travertine or like that white on black, even the white on the wood just looks good. It's a great looking cold plunge to me. So, and if you wanted something that you could rely on, it's a very reliable cold plunge. It stays cold, it stays clean with the filtration and ozone, upgraded pumps. It's one of those cold plunges that I can just count on, which isn't all of them. I can't just count on all of them. There are some frustrations with a lot of them. And I think during this series of Who Is This For, I'm going to talk about a lot of them and do it honestly. So that's who this is for. Who's it not for? Well, kind of like we said earlier, it's not for people who want to get upright. It's not for people who want that vertical cold plunge position. I'm 6'1" and I can get fully underwater and submerge in this thing easier than anything else. I think that's that vertical wall and then the slanted wall here just allows you to almost squat in and you just kind of slide down like you're in a bathtub. So if you want to snorkel, probably one of the easiest cold plunges to do that, meaning if you want to stay underwater with a snorkel out, some people do that. I think it's kind of crazy, but if you want to, you can. Has a great lid that folds in half, so you don't have to take the lid off when you cold plunge. You literally just unfold it and you just get in. You can take the whole thing off if you want to, but I keep it on and then close it back shut. And these clips on the front and the back are important. As you can probably tell, it's super windy. The weather's been really weird here in Florida the past couple of days. And when you don't clip these, the wind can fling the lid open. So it's nice that they have these clips on there. Not every cold plunge has clips on the lid. I like that. That's another good thing, but who is it not for? It's not for anyone who wants to get into a vertical cold plunge. It's not for anybody who has a non-permanent residence. I mean, they're not easy to move. It's heavy. Because all the components are built inside it, you do need straps and you do need friends. It's not the easiest cold plunge to move. So once you have it, like, you need to have it where you want it. I don't think I've never moved this. This has been here since they delivered it. So probably because it's not easy to move, and probably because I have the sauna next to it, and this is just kind of like the plunge section of my house. Yeah, it's not easy to move. So I would definitely take advantage of their white glove service. I know the shipping is probably like a week or two. I think that's it, like typically a week. So shipping's pretty fast. Setup is very easy. They have white glove shipping. So like I said, they'll literally just set it up exactly for you. The guys came and set it up right here. All I had to do was plug it in and turn it on, which was cool. Not everyone offers that. So that's a very nice premium touch. And for a premium cold plunge, you want that. Like you don't want to spend a lot of money on a cold plunge that cools your water down and then you have to fool around with like unboxing it and setting it up. You can, and there are brands that'll make you do that, but yeah, if you have the option to have that white glove service where they set it up for you, take it all day long. But yeah, and it's also probably not for somebody who is, on a budget. I mean, it's an expensive cold plunge, so it's not the most affordable cold plunge out there, but it is the most iconic. That's who it's for. That's who it's not for. If you have any questions about it specifically, the reason I'm not really doing any B-roll and a bunch of other stuff, this is just a one fell swoop conversation with the camera, is I already have plenty of reviews on this. So if you want to see those, I'll have them pop up at the end of this video and you can get way more details, B-roll, action shots, all that stuff. But I just wanted to talk to you and just tell you, like, who is this for, who's it not for? Make a video that I think could be helpful, video that I know people need because I get the questions on Instagram DMs and emails and even in the comments of my videos. People are like, dude, like, who's it for, who's it not for? I don't want to watch a full review. Okay. They're like, just tell me, is it worth buying or not? I'm telling you, it's worth buying. I'm happy with the Plunge All In. I know a lot of people have been really happy with the Plunge All In. I just made a video too about their updated customer service. Like, they're one of the first cold plunge companies that isn't just a cold plunge company. They also have saunas, they have showers, they have other accessories, and they have a ton of customers in operation. They have a ton of units in operation is what it's called and considered. And when that happens and you don't have a ton of people working the customer service and people are calling on the phone, it can get overwhelming really fast. A lot of the questions are simple. A lot of people don't really understand how to change the filter and seal the lid, and then that messes things up. So imagine if you got a phone call on your cell phone every time somebody had a question about how to change your filter and you sold tens of thousands of that product. It would get overwhelming. So they have a new customer service process. I just made a video on it. I literally had to have my sauna kind of rebuilt because I broke it, and I was impressed. I made that video. It's funny because in the comments you can see some people who still just have a bad taste in their mouth or read a Reddit comment or a review or something, and yeah, hey, there's always going to be that. But if you have a problem with something plunge related, reach out to me. I have a direct line of communication with the team. They want to make sure all of your problems are handled. Not all of them get to the right people at the right time, and we don't always give companies enough grace. So if you have a problem, reach out to me and let me help you. But also, like this video, ask a comment down below, share it with a friend. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day, my friends, and God bless.